Welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering navigating imposter syndrome, overcoming self-doubt in your career and life. So let's dive in. In the ever-evolving landscape of our careers, battling the beast of self-doubt is nothing short of an enduring expedition. You're on a quest through a labyrinth of imposter syndrome, a journey to emerge stronger, more confident, and ready to seize the opportunities that await you. Our careers are like ships navigating through a vast sea of opportunities and challenges. And imposter syndrome is that unwelcome companion on our journey, whispering doubts and insecurities into our ears. But don't worry, for today we're charting a course to overcome the sneaky foe and sail confidently towards success. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, imposter syndrome, isn't that just a fancy term for self doubt? Hold on to your doubts for just a moment. We're about to turn the tide on this self sabotaging mindset. Trust me, this isn't another lecture on positive affirmation. Instead, we're going to blend a dash of psychology with a sprinkle of practical strategies to navigate these treacherous waters and emerge stronger than ever. Your mindset is your compass, your North Star that guides your ship. And a positive and realistic mindset is essential to help shape your perception of your abilities and worth. By believing in yourself and acknowledging your achievements, you transform self-doubt into self-assurance. The storms of self-doubt can't steer you off course when your mindset is the anchor of strength. Now let's embark on an epic journey through 5 strategic steps to sail through imposter syndrome and conquer uncharted career and life territories. Starting with step 1, embrace your expertise. Let's do a twist. Instead of downplaying your accomplishments, I want you to shine a spotlight on your expertise. Remember, you've climbed mountains of challenges, conquered seas of obstacles, and emerged victorious. Own your achievements and let them guide you through the fog of self-doubt. When those nagging feelings of inadequacy set sail, remind yourself of the skills and experiences that make you a seasoned sailor in your field. During a challenging time, repeat confidently, I faced this challenge before, let's adapt the strategy that worked last time to ensure success. Step 2, chart your journey. Every ship needs a map, and your career is no different. Document your progress, achievements, and even your setbacks. This is your career log, a testament to your growth. When imposter syndrome tries to steer you off course, consult your career log for evidence of your accomplishments. This tangible proof will remind you that you're not merely a passenger on this journey, but a skilled navigator. Example, after acing a presentation, jot in your journal, nailed the client pitch, building on my year of improving presentation skills. Step 3, crew camaraderie. Even the bravest captains need a loyal crew. Surround yourself with mentors, colleagues, and friends that lift you higher. Share your fears and insecurities, for in vulnerability, you forge unbreakable bonds. As you traverse the career ocean, remember that you're not alone. Your crew will be there to throw you lifelines of encouragement when self-doubt threatens to drown you. Faced with a tough task, reach out to a friend. Feeling overwhelmed? Can we chat later? Your perspective helps. Step 4, reward your milestones. As we set sail towards success, it's easy to overlook the small islands of achievement. No more. Every time you hit a milestone, no matter how minor it may seem, throw a celebration worthy of a victorious sailor. Whether it's treating yourself to your favorite latte or dancing like no one's watching, these celebrations are floats of validation, keeping your ship afloat amidst waves of doubt. After finishing a report early, reward yourself. Finish the report ahead of time, movie night as a treat, or gaming for the night. And step 5, mentor your mind. Our minds are like clay. They can be molded with the right guidance. Create your own mental mentorship program. Imagine a version of yourself, wise and unshakable. When self-doubt sets in, seek counsel from your mental mentor. What advice would they give you? What words of wisdom would they share? This practice will empower you to rewire your thought patterns, silencing the voice of imposter syndrome. Before an interview, channel your confident self, prepared well, my skills shine through, I've got this. You're the captain of your career ship. Embrace your achievements and unique strength. Just like a skilled sailor navigates through rough waters, you can steer through challenges with confidence. Here's your treasure map to victory. First, put on your adventure hat and acknowledge those doubts. It's like finding buried treasure of your fears. Once you've uncovered them, shine a lantern of self awareness on them. That's your first step. With your trusty mindset compass of self belief, navigate towards your achievements island. Celebrate your successes, big or small, and share your doubts with your crew. There is no shame in seeking help from a trusted navigator when those stormy doubts get too intense. Onward to victory. Let's summarize. We are exploring, finding, and navigating through imposter syndrome to overcome self doubt in our career and life. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Own your expertise. Embrace your achievements and strengths. You've come this far for a reason. 2. Build a support network. Surround yourself with a crew that encourages and supports you through the highs and lows. And 3. Navigate with intention. Chart your career journey, celebrate your milestones, and mentor your mind to sail above self doubt. You're not an imposter, you're a trailblazer and navigator of possibilities. Bon voyage! These were some steps and tips on navigating through imposter syndrome, overcoming self doubt in your career and life. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering the power of mindfulness, finding balance and focus in a busy world. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week!